Y ganyan sgarawn le teolwch golf a hai. Charomor an ui ai Cameron Neilson sy'n spors, mis roi suas an an Cluinnidh.
My family's a big golfing family. My dad's a golf professional. And when I was born, my mum also worked at the golf club that he worked at, so just kind of grew up with it. My dad used to be my coach until I was about 14, 15. And now he just kind of, if he sees something, he'll say, but not really that much anymore, which is probably for the better. I didn't really take it very serious until I was about 14, 15. And I kind of got into a club in Switzerland where they had a big junior team, and I just enjoyed it from there, and then kind of got better, enjoyed practicing more, which then helped me get better, and then started winning tournaments, and that just kind of got me into, yeah, I can really do this. I really like this. I want to do this. Yeah.
Va Cameron steigje an sy'n Eilbheis, mis Jackie ganolai an yn Amerikau. Ac va dydybigi ein gyfarpysyn, leis nach roi comasach siúl tron a pandemic.
It was great in the summer, and because I live right in the Alps, so the winter is not ideal for practicing, but growing up was great, being able to ski and snowboard. So yeah, but you just have to be creative in the winter, going indoors and other stuff. It was quite severe in my case because I couldn't play in the summer at all. And then I went to America and we couldn't play for the whole autumn semester. And then I usually spent my summers in Scotland playing some of the bigger events. That was the first time I'd been there in 3 years, so it kind of made a difference in like my international golfing. Yeah, it was mad. I mean, I think at first it was probably not the worst thing because I had to do like my exams and I had to get that all sorted, but it just got so tedious as well. Because you kind of need something like a tournament to prepare for where it just gets you out practicing and motivated. So it was quite dull for a few months, yeah. There was a point, even when it opened up, you were so wary of it. You didn't know like how long am I going to be able to do this, when they're going to shut down again. And now it's just kind of freely, and I can choose what tournaments to play. I don't have to play the ones close to me. It's a lot. It's so much better.
Ha America a cór to the Cameron is the muskach an cúch full am eiche, call the partnership golf.
Oh, it's so good. It's just exactly what I need. We get a lot of practicing. We work out a lot. We get to travel America, play good tournaments, good courses. It's just perfect. Just that balance of getting my degree and being able to basically play full time is amazing. Every time I come back home, I do really well. First couple of weeks back, so my game's just so much better. I'm just so much used to a different variety of golf shots, and I think confidence as well, because we play so much and practice a lot. You just have that in the back of your mind.
As Joey Chionn dash van a vier jedig, bhuannaich Cameron ring an bhuannaich Eilbheis Amaitearachd na ALBA, route Inkentach, leis groi 3 bliana, fall van a chuursa.
Oh, it was amazing, especially not being able to be in Scotland in 3 years. It was just really nice, especially a lot of people, like the younger girls didn't know me, and some of the people at Scottish Golf didn't know me as well. So it's just kind of good to be having my foot in the door again. I hadn't played match play in ages. I hadn't been on a links golf course in ages. But again, because like I have such a full season in America, I just kind of looking forward to it as well, because I get to choose in the summer what I play. Just like, I really want to play this because I want to play it. So it was a great experience, yeah. But I was glad how it worked out, but could have gone differently as well. Oh, it was great, especially like I know the final was the biggest comeback, but I was kind of back in all of my matches. So it was just good confidence as well that I don't just give up.
Ha Cameron Tolliche mar a ha route na dolle pezense, is he a gamas is barach lesige geano, gus na hamasen, eiche rie.
It's been really good. Struggled a bit in the winter, but I feel like I'm starting to get into form, which is really nice. Again, I got to play a lot of tournaments already in beginning like February, March, which is earlier than I would if I'd stayed in Switzerland. So yeah, just really excited for what's to come. And yeah, getting back to America will be very busy as well. So it's just going to be a lot of golf, which is good. I just usually have like smaller goals, like scoring goals. But I would like to get my first college win, which is a big one. And then I'm lucky enough to be able to play the home international, so I'd like to play well in that. That's probably a goal that I achieved as well, which is nice. I think I've had a really good time at golf. I think it helped me that I didn't take it too serious too early on. Did a lot of sport besides golf, which I think helped me personally. But I'm really happy where I am now. Long journey getting to college and being where I am now, but I just enjoy playing as much as I can, and I enjoy the tournaments I get to play. So yeah, just kind of keep going until I get to that next step, hopefully. So yeah, pretty happy.